Hello kids, this is Indu Sharma, Faculty of Science from Suraj Group of Institutions, and today we are going to start chapter number 2 of science, and the name of the chapter is Nutrition in Animals. So before going into the chapter, we should understand the meaning of the chapter name, that is Nutrition in Animals. As we already know, nutrition is the intake of the food material into the body and its utilization by the body to produce the energy. So means nutrition in animals ki how animals are taking their food, that food is utilized in their body and the production of energy is being taking place for the functioning of various body functions, right? So there are different parts on this nutrition in animals. First one is the ingestion, second is digestion, third is absorption, fourth is the assimilation, and fifth one is the egestion. These all 5 processes are taking place one by one for the complete digestion of the nutrients or the food. So taking one by one, first is ingestion. Ingestion, in means it is the entry of the food material inside the body through the mouth. कि जब food ने enter किया through the mouth, that is the ingestion, मतलब entry of the food inside the mouth. Second part is the digestion. Digestion means कि breakdown of the food material into smaller pieces. जो बड़े पीस में जो food हमारे मुंह में गया, that is being broken down by the firstly by the teeth. Teeth से and jaws से that food is being broken down into smaller pieces and also masticated by mixing it with the saliva which is present inside the mouth, right? Also after entering into the stomach and intestine, that is being digested by the digestive enzymes and the digestive juices which are present in the stomach and the small intestine, which we will study in the next video, right? So simply the food is being broken down into smaller pieces and mixes is with the digestive juices. Third one is the absorption. Now what happens in absorption? That food which is being digested, now nutrients from that food are entering inside the blood capillaries, because in the as you can see, this is the small intestine. Inside the small intestine there are various numerous finger like structures which are known as villi, and inside these villi there are blood capillaries, right? So from this intestine, that nutrients will enter into these blood capillaries, right, in this way. So now the nutrients from the intestine have entered in the blood stream. Blood में अब हमारे सारे के सारे nutrients आ चुके हैं. उसके बाद what will be the next step is the assimilation. Means blood में nutrients आ चुके हैं, अब blood से वो nutrients सारे कहाँ जाएंगे? Cells में. Because you know very well कि cell is the structural, functional, basic or you can say fundamental unit of life. Smallest unit है cell की, राइट? सेल से मिलके फिर टिश्यू बनेंगे, टिश्यू से ऑर्गन, ऑर्गन से ऑर्गन सिस्टम और ऑर्गन सिस्टम से पूरा ऑर्गेनिज्म. सो अब ये ब्लड जो है, दिस ब्लड विल फ्लो इन द होल ऑफ द बॉडी. तो न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम दिस ब्लड विल एंटर इन ईच एंड एवरी सेल ऑफ द बॉडी, राइट? दिस इज द एसिमिलेशन, कि हमारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स अब कहाँ आ गए? सेलुलर लेवल पे आ गए. एंड आफ्टर दैट इजेशन. अब स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में जाने के बाद जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स ब्लड में गए और सेल्स में चले गए, उसके बाद जो अनडाइजेस्टेड पार्ट बचा, द रिमेनिंग अनडाइजेस्टेड मटेरियल विल नाउ exit out from the body. Means, or you can say ejection of the waste material or undigested food particles from the body or outside the body is known as egestion, right? So I'll again summarize. Ingestion, entry of the food in the body to the mouth. Digestion, breakdown of the food into smaller materials and mixing with the digestive juices. Third one is the absorption, that is nutrients are being entered into the blood. Assimilation, from the blood these nutrients have now entered in the each and every cell of the body. Egestion means undigested waste material are now being ejected out from the body. Before starting nutrition in human being, we will see how nutrition takes place in some smaller organism. For example, amoeba. Amoeba में क्या होता है? It is a simple unicellular organism which do not have any fixed shape. कोई भी शेप हो जाएगी अमीबा की. क्यों? क्योंकि इसके अंदर सेंटर में न्यूक्लियस है और साइड में क्या है? एक फ्लूइड प्रेजेंट है, राइट? ये फ्लूइड जहां भी ज्यादा आ जाएगा, इसकी मूवमेंट उसी साइड हो जाएगी. that is why these arms are known as pseudopodia. Pseudopodia means false feet. False feet क्यों बोला? क्योंकि जहां पर भी साइटोप्लाज्म की मूवमेंट ज्यादा हुई वहीं पर भी ये अपनी मूवमेंट स्टार्ट कर देगा. तो जैसे ही इसने देखा कि कोई फूड पार्टिकल यहाँ पर है तो क्या करेगा ये? दिस इज द फूड पार्टिकल, सो इट विल प्रोट्रूड और एक्सटेंड इट्स सूडोपोडिया टुवर्ड्स दैट फूड. और नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या होगा? पूरा का पूरा फूड मटेरियल जो है वो अंदर आ जाएगा और ये सूडोपोडिया क्लोज हो जाएंगे, राइट. एंड आफ्टर एंटरिंग द फूड इनसाइड द फूड वैक्यूल इन द बॉडी ऑफ द अमीबा, इट विल अगेन डाइजेस्टेड बाय द डाइजेस्टिव juices and absorption and assimilation takes place and waste material again ejected out from this pseudopodia, right. So in this way nutrition in amoeba takes place. In hydra is a multicellular aquatic. multicellular होता है, aquatic water में रहता है. इसमें क्या होता है? Its body is just like so many tentacles are there, right. These are so many arms are there which are known as tentacles. What happens whenever some aquatic insect come here, such as this is an aquatic insect, as it come near these tentacles there are stinging cells. जैसे इंसेक्ट यहाँ पे एंटर करेगा स्टिंगिंग सेल्स की वजह से वो अंदर की तरफ आएगा और स्टिंगिंग सेल्स विल हेल्प टू डाई दिस इंसेक्ट. उसकी वजह से वो इंसेक्ट की डेथ हो जाएगी. हियर इज द माउथ इज प्रेजेंट. जैसे ही वो माउथ में एंटर करेगा इट विल अगेन डाइजेस्टेड बाय द डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस व्हिच आर सिक्रेटेड बाय द माउथ ऑफ द हाइड्रा. So in this way nutrition in hydra takes place. And in frog, as you know that frog has a very tall tongue which helps in the entering of the insect towards its mouth. और जैसे ही वो माउथ के अंदर आएगा it has a complete its own digestive system where this again is absorption, assimilation and egestion takes place. So this is how the nutrition takes place in the smaller animals. In the next video we will say how the nutrition takes place in the human beings by these all 5 processes. I hope you have got all the points. Just view the video 2 or 3 times. Have a nice day.